Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to get Roblox on the Nintendo Switch. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So what we want to do is first load up the Switch here and go to the system settings. So from the system settings, we need to go into Internet. Click on Internet and then select Internet settings. From the Internet settings, you will be able to find your Wi-Fi connection. So I'm just going to click on it. And then we want to select Change Settings, just like that. Once we have clicked on Change Settings, we need to go to the DNS Settings option. Click on where it says Automatic, and then change it to Manual. And we need to set the primary DNS. I'll show you what we need to set it to. Here, delete all this, and just write this exact numbers of pattern that I'm showing you. So type these numbers exact same as they are written here. And we're going to press the plus sign, which is going to be OK. Now we will select Save. Settings have been saved. So if I click on Connect to this network now, it's going to establish a connection, or it might give us an error, but that's perfectly fine. Here it says registration is required. So click on Next, just like that. And it's going to look like this, and we will select Continue to Google. So now, as you can see, we have Google. And here we will use Google to search for Roblox. Just search for Roblox, and we're going to click on Done. This is going to use Google to search for Roblox. In here we can navigate to the first option, which is roblox.com, and if we click on it, then this is going to show us the login screen for Roblox. As you can see here, and we can register or log in with our account. So that's basically how you can get Roblox on the Nintendo Switch. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.